In this video, we're going to take a look at the entire lineup of Kiwitech reels and winders and the parts and components that you can use to assemble a Kiwitech system that's ideal for your context. Here we have laid out 3 different styles of Kiwitech reels or winders. We have an orbital reel, a single wire winder, and a 3-wire carry pack. We'll walk you through each one of these individually so that you can see the key features that make each one of these reels unique. The orbital reel is the simplest form of a Kiwitech reel. It's great for internal paddock divisions and short runs of fence. I use these for my daily paddock moves because they're so quick and easy. Consists of a spool with twine. Orbital reels do not come with a gate handle, but you can attach any gate handle you would like. I prefer the Zammer handle because they're low profile, they're lightweight, and they snap into the rings on the outside of the spool. That way when I'm carrying them around, the gate handle isn't catching or flopping. You'll also need a snap-in handle, which consists of a stem and the handle barrel. Inside each handle barrel is an extra stem in case you were to break one. To attach it, simply line up the stem with one of these offset center holes and push it into place. And now we have an orbital winder. Using just a lasso motion or a hula hoop motion, we can keep wire wrapping and winding around our spool while we walk down the fence line, or if we don't have a gate handle attached to it, it can pull the twine back to us. To remove a snap-in handle, you'll just want to place your thumb flat against the spool face and push against the spool as you pull on the handle. Orbital reels are also great because you can store your release hook inside the reel. They go in one of these 2 center slots of the hub. All you need to do is compress the spring a little bit, insert it into the slot, and then drive it home the rest of the way. The next style up from the orbital reel is the winder or the geared reel. This takes your standard spool and turns it into a 4-to-1 geared reel. The parts and components you'll need to assemble a winder, or the parts that will come in your winder kit, include a 4-to-1 geared gearbox. This makes for quicker rewinding than your typical 3-to-1 reel. Comes with a crank handle and a locking tab, so once you've wound up your twine, you can set the tension. A chuck for holding your spool, a guide for guiding the twine back onto the spool and preventing tangles, and a carrying handle. If you're looking for larger capacity or multi-strand grazing, chucks and guides are available for single, double, or triple strand applications, like our triple wire carry pack. The triple carry pack features all the same components that we just covered with the winder. We have our gearbox, we have our crank handle and locking tab, we have our spools. You can see here that we have the triple chuck so that we can carry 3 strands or 3 lines all at the same time, as well as our triple guide in the extender so that we can spool up and keep these spools nice and tidy while we rewind each 3 of these strands. The only difference then is that we've opted for the pedestal and the rack instead of the carry handle, and this rack is where I can carry all my Kiwitech posts. So with the triple pack, I have a completely portable system where I can pay out wire and set up posts at the same time, or I can be pulling posts and rewinding twine at the same time. From the orbital reel to the triple carry pack, Kiwitech has a system that can work for you. All these parts and components are available at Kencove.com, and you can learn how to build your own Kiwitech reel system with our assembly video. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fencing tips and expert advice.